Apple has been stealing hearts across the globe with its phones, laptops, and more. Thus, there is no surprise that it has been making strides in the AI world too. You may have heard the term Apple Intelligence floating around, but the question is, what does it do? Is it simply Siri with advanced technology, or is there more to it? And most importantly, you must be wondering how I turn on Apple Intelligence and leverage all of its benefits. How to turn on Apple AI? Apple does not make your life difficult by making its AI feature difficult to access. Instead, the process is pretty simple. All you need to do is carry out a couple of tasks, which are given below. 1. Enable Siri's AI features. We all know about Siri and its many capabilities, but one thing that you need to do is make sure that it is fully using its Apple AI potential. Open Settings on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac. Scroll down and tap Siri and search. Toggle on Listen for Hey Siri. Enable Allow Siri when locked. 2. Turn on AI-powered machine learning tools. How to enable Apple Intelligence is something that everyone wants to know, simply because they want to leverage its many benefits to perform everyday tasks. Here is how you can do it. Go to Settings, Privacy and Security. Tap Analytics and Improvements. Enable Improve Siri and Dictation and Share iPhone Analytics. In the Photos app, turn on Face and Object Recognition under Albums to enable AI-driven photo sorting. 3. Activate Personalized Recommendations. How do I turn on Apple Intelligence and use it for a personalized experience? If this is a question that you have been wondering, then you will be quite happy to know the way the technology functions. It will learn all your habits and behaviors and give relevant suggestions via various apps like Safari, Messages, and Apple Music. Open Settings, Privacy and Security. Tap Apple Advertising and enable personalized ads. In the App Store and Apple Music, toggle on Personalized Recommendations. What can Apple Intelligence do for you? So now that Apple Intelligence is turned on, what is the big deal? Here is a peek at how your life will become easier once you turn on Apple AI. 1. Smarter Siri. Siri understands basic context now. So, if you want to be reminded of something, for example, an email that you are viewing, Siri will make a note of it and send a reminder of that particular email. 2. Better recommendations. Apple Music will suggest playlists based on your listening habits, while Safari will predict search results before you finish typing. 3. AI-powered photos. Search your gallery using phrases like "photos of me at the beach in 2023," and AI will find them instantly. You no longer have to spend hours searching for that image of you in that gorgeous dress. Now that you know how to turn on Apple Intelligence, it is time to explore its full potential. Give it a try and see just how smart your Apple device can be.